Here is how to compress a PDF for free without losing quality.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video.
It's perfect for email limit, WhatsApp or job application with size gaps. So go to this website, link in the description below or in your comment. Click compress PDF. Upload your file. Choose your compression level. Recommended works for most cases. Click compress PDF. Download. File size cut down, quality intact. File size cut down and quality is on the top. So that's it. In the next video, I'll teach you how to turn a PDF into an editable Word document.